E&E gang. E&E Customs back at it again for the one time. Today I'm just putting the fans on for my car. So let me just flip the camera and show y'all what I got going on. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right here. Putting the fans on there. So, guys, things say the E&E.
What up? E&E Customs.
Yep. So y'all see right here. Putting the dual fans on there. And yes, they are brand new for those who actually, so yeah. So I'll catch y'all. I'll give y'all a little update on what's going on around here. See if we got power or what. So I'll catch y'all when I get back on here. Yo, back. Just gave y'all a little update. So we got the fans working. They all good now. We Gucci now. So it works. So now I ain't gonna crank the car. I'm just gonna let y'all hear it real quick.